Parang gusto mo na simulan yung hosting career mo dito.
Parang gusto mo lumubro ng dito.
Actually, si Pepita yung may tanong sa Voice of Summer natin eh. Nandiyan na siya eh.
Yes, etong tanong sa inyo. Kung may pick-up line kayo sa akin, ha? Hindi, ano pang ine-expect nyo sa, of course, mga susunod na buwan, mga susunod na taon sa career nyo naman sa GMA, of course.
Ikaw, Pepita.
Ayun, nagtatrabaho na ng Pepita.
Well, 7 years na rin ako sa GMA, sobrang thankful ako. And ever since simula ako dito lang ako pinabayaan. Hindi lang 7 years nung walang tulugan pa, dito sa tatay, sa dekada na rin na lumipas. And saan ba ako galing? Wala talagang pinagalingan. Pero ngayon, dito ako ngayon, hinubog ako ng GMA. Hinubog nila ang pagkailangan. Maraming salamat sa GMA. Maraming ako tayo gagawin. Maraming ako gagawin sa gagawin ko. Thank you so much.
Sino Pepita next gusto mo?
Pasensya na kayo, tumi-take over ako kasi voice to eh.
Okay. Ask away.
Yes?
Ako naman, siyempre, una-una, thankful ako sa Sparkle Dreaming Artist Center and sa ating mga bosses, sa manager ko, sa aking handler, and everyone sa Sparkle, thank you so much sa tulong. Ako excited ako na makatrabaho ko kayong lahat and to do more projects with you guys. And willing ako na matulong pa at malagaan ko nyo. I trust you guys buong puso.
Yes!
Buong puso daw, Pepita.
Oo, nakuha ka naman. Ratson! I love you too. Yeah.
And for me, I expect more growth in terms of my career and personal growth sa acting, talents. Because I think I haven't peaked yet, I haven't reached my full potential, and I have so much more to show. I have so much heart to give to this work, to my craft, to this career, and I want to prove that I can do so much more. So I want to personally thank Ms. Greg, Ms. Joy, my handler, Tessa, for shaping me to be a very great and talented actor.
Yes, we have a winner, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much, Ratson. And of course, please.
First of all, syempre, I want to thank you for the Ms. Joy, Ms. Gracie, lahat ng bubuo ng Sparkle. Thank you for the trust and opportunity. Lalo kay Ms. Gracie for being so patient and understanding, especially during my basketball days. So, thank you so much. Love Ms. Gracie. And yeah, I'm really excited for my journey. You know, from basketball to acting, I'm just really so excited. And kahit hindi pa lang ako, I'm really enjoying it. And nakikita ko rin yung passion ko, yung love ko sa pag-art. I'm just really so excited to meet new people, meet new friends, meet new opportunities. So I'm for sure gonna give my 100% to you. Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much, Prince. Let's play basketball. Why not? Let's do the bullet shoot.
Naganyan yung suot ng dress, Pepita.
Of course, Bruce. Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, Bruce.
Yes, I've been with GMA for more than 5 years already, and it's been such a journey. I just want to I just want to thank everyone here. Lalo Sir Renz, was good, Sir Dai, Sir Dao, Miss Annette, Miss Joy, Miss Tracy, Miss Gabby, Miss Jenny. You all mean a lot to me. It's been such an incredible journey, and I can't wait to do more, and I'm going to keep on working every single day. And yeah, I just can't wait for the future. And I'm really happy for this beautiful family that we have. Thank you.
Wow! Just in, plus 100 points na daw. Perfect yung mga nagsimula.
Kasi yung grading si Pepita eh.
Of course, the hero.
Ayun po, I've never really expected na tatayo po ako dito. You know, Sparkle, sila po nag-bring out ng confidence sa akin. Sila po nag-bring out ng passion sa akin in my acting sa craft ko. Kaya gusto ko po magpasalamat sa inyo lahat. Kaya Kuya Reds,
Positive, Sir Dasher, Love, Miss Annette, Miss Gwen, Miss Jennifer, di ko ba ako? Yes, thank you. Thank you for that, of course, kay Sir Duff, for being patient sa pag-basketball ko today. Enjoy ako, we're taping. We're being patient with me sa pag-boxing ko. Thank you for allowing me and sure, hindi ako matatamaan. Hindi ako mamagawa. Thank you so much. And I'm just very happy to be here as well. Thank you, Coach Bird.
Thank you so much for being here. Of course, ito yung last net, medyo pressured, okay?
Nakaka-pressure yung mga sagot nila. Pero ako naman, wala naman ako na-expect kasi since nung nakapasok ako dito sa Sparkle, sobrang thankful ako sa lahat ng members na pinili nila. And isa din yun na gusto ko rin salamat kasi isa din sila sa rason kung bakit paano ako makagaling sa craft ko, sa acting ko. So, thank you so much and I love you.
Yes! And because of that, Rupa!
Hindi ko yun talaga yung goal kanina ba? Nasa isip niya.
Pinagtrabahuhan mo na ito sa stage para ma-deserve.
Thank you so much to our boys of summer. Palapanin po natin, Mr. Pina Curtis.
Thank you, Pina, sa pasalo. But, group photo, of course, with our boys of summer. Yes, sir, Martha.
Oh, yes, sir!
Scan the QR code. Let's see what's the deal.
Yan, pambato natin.
Thank you and congratulations for continuing this.
Yes, Sir Martha. Diba, hindi ko kailangan natin ang sinking page sa dami ng project ni Yasser sa GMA.
Pinag-isip pa yun sa lagay na yun. Palpable nga yun, palpable.
I like how careful he was in scanning that QR code.
Thank you and congratulations for continuing to sparkle.
Okay, strike a pose here.
His name is Jeff. Go ahead, Jeff.
Thank you and congratulations for continuing to sparkle.
May sabi dito, captivate the camera. Saan na yung captivate? Ayan, captivate. Congratulations, Jeff.
Welcome to Sparkle.
Welcome.
Please give us your basketball player stance. Yes!
Ibang klaseng photo shoot naman for Prince.
Go ahead, Vince.
Thank you and congratulations for continuing to sparkle.
Actor, model, and endorser. Now show us your best model pose. Congratulations. Stand away, please.
Thank you and congratulations for continuing to sparkle.
Diba? That's a long list for Mr. Bruce Rowan.
And his career is just heating up. Sabi nga sa BBC. Alright, just continue to pose for the camera.
you and congratulations for continuing to sparkle.
Continuing to sparkle and evolving as we have seen. Yung ino ay mas Mark Gordon, pero marami rin nagawa si Radson Flores at marami pa siyang gagawin. So as you strike that pose, flex for the camera. First up in our Sparkle Boys of Summer.
Thank you so much, Mr. Radson Flores. Up next,